Yo, what's up, guys? Today I went against RIN, ITOSHI, and Blue Hawk, yo. So let me tell you, I was just going through like one-person servers, and I saw this dude, right? I was like, oh, this is like a wannabe RIN ITOSHI, bro. Tell me why this dude started doing impossible tricks on the goal, bro. Like, he shot a up shot literally all the way up in the air, and it went back down to the goal, yo. Like, you gotta see this. Look, that is insane. So I went with him, and it was crazy, bro. I'm gonna get into it right now. Y'all subscribe and like if y'all want more. Let's go. Let me join CF, yo. It's gonna be my last one. What? Wait, you can do that? What? I never knew you. Whoa. Is that RIN ITOSHI? Bro. Okay, hold on. Let me just. This guy. Alright, buddy. Oh, W hitbox. Wow, great game, yo. Great game. What an amazing game. Bro. Okay. Yo, he already has like 2 scores. I gotta reset this, yo. W goalkeeper. I gotta reset this. I gotta 1v1 this guy, bro. And you know what? My video was gonna be, I competitively 1v1'd a lot of mad people, but forget it. It's gonna be just this guy, because he thinks he all tough. Oh, brother. What? What is that? Yo. And then he starts geeking out. Yeah, this is definitely RIN ITOSHI, right? Yep, definitely him. The geeker. Oh, bro. Let's do it for real 1v1, yo. Like, I gotta 1v1 this dude, bro. Oh my lord. Yeah, bro, yo, this dude ain't got none on me, yo. Like, he's not even, yo, look at the broken characters. Yo, this game got it, yo. Oh my god, yeah. This update better fix some bugs too, yo, cause give me that. Oh shoot. Alright, okay, that's cool. That's cool and all. Okay. So he just instantly broke my leg. Are you for real? Alright, bro. I get it. I get it. Don't worry.
I understand it now.
I understand, bro. Alright, RIN. Okay, bet. Let me get the ball. What's up?
Listen.
You are a worthless, bitch ass nigga.
What? No, yo, I know y'all saw that. I know y'all. No way. So can he calculate my every move? Is that how it is? It's really RIN? And then he does. Let's go. Goofball. Yeah, that shit don't go to Tom. Oh, bro, he didn't fall for it. It's cool. He ain't fall for that. It's cool. Oh, dang, bro, why is my stuff not working? Like, that works on everyone, bro, in the world. Okay, it's cool though. It's cool. Watch this though. I'm gonna trick him. Let's start. Let's go. No. My ego. Oh my god. This is gonna be fun. I'm getting cooked, but this is so crazy that I like getting cooked. Like, damn, bro, should have had him. All right, make it. Oh, it's sparking in my body. Yes, now enter the flow. Oh shoot. Oops. Let's what is he doing? Make it. Oh. No, I got you. Hold on. Yeah, nah, yup. Yeah, you ain't gonna ankle break me, buddy. That's not what we doing. Oh. Let's go. He missed. What? Yo, this dude was gonna be RIN, yo. He's calculating my every move and destroying me, yo. Oh my, 538 goals. Oh my, yo, this guy got. How do you get that much, yo? I bet it's cool. Darn, it didn't work on him. Okay, watch this. Ha! Oh, it almost did. Yeah, RIN. I will devour you. RIN. Talk about, yo. Sir. Okay, come back. I know I can. I know. Ah, give me the ball, donkey. Watch this. Oh, dang. Yo, this dude's pretty smart. I can't lie to you. Let's go. What? No, I know y'all saw that. What? That should have went in, yo. I gotta go in flow state. Yup, give me that, buddy. I will devour your ego, Rin. You and little brother say. Hey, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. I will devour you. Yes, sir, bro. Yeah. Did the orange just on, bro. Alright. Oh, damn. Dang, bro. You're not making that. Of course he is. You know what? Of course. And I don't mind that this dude has Isagi and not Rin, because Rin, that, like, you know, nobody's buying all them spin. Even though I did low key buy some spins, though. I did buy lucky spins, but it don't matter though. Weave. Yes, sir, Rin. I'm adapting to you, donkey. Look at him. Nah, dude was slumped, yo. I will slowly adapt and devour you. Come on now. Too slow, Rin. Come on. Do better than that. You know what? Okay, you was cooking me. You was cooking me, bro. But not anymore. Idiot! Eat shit, losers. How's that? Wait, what does Kaiser say? Eat shit. Something like that, I don't know. Okay, low-key, I'm glad I missed, because I would have got my ankles broke. Oh my, nice, goalkeeper, nice, bro, nice. Nice, goalkeeper, nice. Amazing, bro, amazing. It's just cool. It's amazing, bro. Woo! Oh, what the? Nah, that was an NPC moment, so know that. We both did kind of goofy there. Dang. Ugh. I low-key doing that. I don't like doing those cheap shots because they're like too easy to hit. But like, bro, in this case with this dude, I might have to, bro, because this dude low-key cooking me. But it's tied. What I tell you, Rin? He low key, so I'm trying to trick him. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, I can beat him, yo. I can beat this dude. I can beat him. There's no, I'm not gonna lose to Rennie Toasty, bro. Come on now. See, oh. Oh my god, I hate this hitbox, yo. Come here. And but see, he can get me, but I can't get him like that? Okay. Of course I can. Oh my.
Got him, rip out his spine!
Oh my, no, bro. I was so close, bro. I was so close. I was so close to beating him, bro. I was so close to beating him. No, I have to catch up. I have to lock in. What? Oh, damn. You're gonna get another score on me, bro. No, yo, no, 8-5. It can't. It can't be 8-5. That'll be too bad. No, please, miss. Let's go. My last chance. To prove. Flow. Oh my. Yo, he put me in the clip, y'all. This dude put me. GG, bro. It's over. Isn't 8-5 a win? No. I have one more chance. Go, go, go. Come on. I must clutch up. Ah! Come on. I need 2 more. Wait. Yeah, 2 more. I need 2 more. I need 2 more. I need 2 more. Come on. Ugh. Idiot. Come on. I have to. Ugh. 1 more. 20 seconds. I can do this. I can do this. Come on. 1 more. 1 more. Come on. I can clutch up. No. Oh my, bro. Someone joined last second, bro. It don't matter. He would have won because he just ankle broke me, bro. Dude, it don't count no more, bro. Oh my god, bro. This don't count. What is this? Oh, this dude is a bot, yo. What is he? I'm the same team. Yeah, this guy's a bot. Yeah, more people are joining, bro. Alright, shoot. The 1v1 is over, bro. Yeah. Wow. You know what? I tried, bro. I did try. Ren not only won the championship, but he has a dang snow bunny on the side too. Yeah, I'm done, yo. I'm out of here. Yeah, no.